Welcome to my channel. How to find the perfect used engine and transmission easily. Step 1. Know your vehicle details. Check your car's make, model, year, and engine size. You can find this information in the owner's manual or on the driver's side door sticker. Step 2. Check the VIN number. Use your vehicle identification number, VIN, to find the exact engine and transmission match for your car. Step 3. Understand your engine type. Make sure you know whether your vehicle uses a gasoline, diesel, turbocharged, or hybrid engine before buying. Step 4. Match the transmission correctly. Check if your car has an automatic or manual transmission. Buying the wrong type may cause installation problems. Step 5. Look for low mileage parts. Choose a used engine or transmission with lower mileage because it usually lasts longer and performs better. Step 6. Inspect for damage. Ask for clear photos or inspect the part in person. Avoid engines with cracks, leaks, rust, or broken parts. Step 7. Ask for vehicle history. Find out from which vehicle the engine or transmission was removed. Accident-free donor vehicles are usually a safer choice. Step 8. Compare warranty options. Always buy from sellers that offer a warranty. Even a short warranty can protect you from major issues. Step 9. Buy from a trusted seller. Choose a reliable auto parts dealer or salvage yard with good reviews and customer support. Step 10. Confirm compatibility before purchase. Double-check all specifications with your mechanic before making the final payment to avoid costly mistakes. Thanks for watching.